Designers need to be careful when creating conducive spaces in schools, especially when trying to promote quality mental health and learning. Poor design and conditions of classrooms can affect student learning significantly, thus formal and special elements need to be addressed. Inspired by the fairy tale, Pinocchio's Learning Center is designed for students with ASD and learning difficulties to develop and grow as normal children. After thorough research, a key design element was recognized to be based around sensory design, while considering soft spatial forms, safe spaces, lighting, and acoustic elements. Pinocchio's Learning Center is 1840 square meters and engages with the scenery and biophilic surroundings of Forest Lake, a suburb filled with natural elements to help students with stress. The school's layout is inspired by the lotus plants found in the lake. Large open corridors, hand-picked sensory materials, color scheme, a Zen Room, office, classroom, and a library have all been used and created to address the needs of ASD children from early ages. Addressing sensory and acoustic needs of ASD children involved designing inclusive ceiling spaces including plant-based materials for soundproofing purposes. Soundproof padding and an acoustic baffle wave canopy were used in the Zen Room and library respectively. The classroom's layout offers flexibility in seating and offers refuge zones for students. Color-coded storage and a visual clock helps the students stay focused, have visual guides, and be aware of schedule changes. Classroom features a custom joinery that divides the space in two sections. Whilst offering book space at its front, its rear features a sensory board, a softer floor finish, and a controlled ambient lighting for ASD students or children feeling overwhelmed to de-stress whilst being present to the class. The library is a two-story building featuring an open high ceiling design which is non-claustrophobic to assist in lowering the stress of ASD children. The space also offers refuge booth seating, custom joinery, and an open media space for classroom purposes. The second level hosts computer desk with a view of the natural surroundings outside from large open windows. This joinery offers cozy and cushioned sitting experiences for students to relax while reading a book or play quietly. Second joinery hosts refuge hideout tunnels with sensory games within and can also be used as a desk. The office incorporates a glass door design which, according to research, helps open and welcomes the students with sensory issues inside. A custom reception joinery and the baffle wave canopy adds playfulness and calming textures to the space. The reception joinery design is a lower counter to simplify the interaction for little kids with stuff. Finally is the Zen Room, a room designed to be relaxing for children and allow for quiet play. The standout feature of room is Geppetto's house joinery, where children can climb up and enjoy the vibrant colors and natural lighting, or choose to explore the magical sensory lighting space where LED lights change colors throughout the day. A sensory wall full of different materials, shapes, and textures helps with the students' learning through touch senses. In this joinery, netted mesh connects the top and bottom of the refuge tunnel. For project testing based on feedback from a teacher, interior designer, and an architect, the strongest attributes of the project include the refuge spaces, sensory walls and materials, and use of natural lighting. Further opportunities to design this space include the talk shop and more classrooms to accommodate older students. A child's imagination and mental health is a powerful and unique thing. Pinocchio's fairy tale can help children encounter real-world experiences, not only through learning, but through spatial design elements and features.